Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the charging port on the LG Vista model D631. Charging port replacement. The basic step, you have to remove the back, the battery, SIM card and SD card, and then we open all the screw around the frame right here. We took off all the screw. Now we use plastic pipe to go around the frame to open the back. This is how the back when we open. Now we take off the flash that's connected the motherboard, and then take off this screw right here and screw right here, and make sure this attachment cable right here, this and this too. The screw when we turn it off, and that's how it look when we take it off. Now we're going to put the new one in. This is the broken one, and now we change to the new one. So put at it's very easy and simple. So put in here, put the attachment back, and then screw back and snap the flag. This is charging flag to the motherboard. Okay, let's do it now. Put the new one. I like to put the screw in first because I don't want to miss any screw. After we put them on, back charging port, snap the cable in to put back the housing. It's easy. And the bottom. Okay. And now we put all the screw back, and it will be done. Thank you for watching. We install back, put on the charge, and now it's charging. So job done.